What's up, everybody? I got something really cool here. Something that I never thought I would actually have. And you can tell it's from Get FPV. But it's a lot more exciting than it came from Get FPV. So you want to know what it is? So do I. To me. Yay, Luminaire stickers. Look at that. Can you read it? Look at that. I did hear that they were giving extra padding, but I didn't realize that many. So, yay. And, let's see, that is... oh, crap. Well, I'm glad I got antennas, because those are right hand, and I don't do right hand, I do left hand. So these are... that's an omnidirectional antenna, and this is their patch antenna. And they're not put together, so that's kind of a cool one. I think I kind of like that because they give you the 90 degree on one end, straight on the other, screw it in, so you can move it around wherever you need it to go. That's actually a cool design. And the patch antenna, that one I had seen, and that is cool. Just screws straight onto your receiver, or yeah, receiver. Alright, anything else? No, that was it. Nah. Look at that. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Are you ready? You know, there's probably somebody else out there that's done an unboxing, but I haven't seen the videos, so I've seen videos on what they thought about them and everything else, but never unboxing or anything like that. What do we got here? Hey, look, a user's manual. Oh, it's QR codes to the user manual. And to their company, and register your goggles, and thank you for all your support. Very nice of them. Alright, and on the top I have this really cool logo that's actually, I don't know, I'm going to say it's metal around the outside and inlaid with red. So there's their FPV One logo, and it was protected. It's just going to get scratched up anyway, but I'm serious, I can't believe I actually have a set of these. Orqa One. They are definitely not as big as I expected them to be. That's the hard part. You put stuff in a video, and it's hard to tell sometimes how big it really is. So, 3/4 of a battery. Let me do something. Let me grab my Fat Shark HDOs, the originals. This is what I've been using all this time. And yeah, that's custom wrap from NX Graphics up in Canada. Very cool guys. So I got those out to kind of show they're really no bigger than the Fat Sharks. Hopefully they're both in frame there. They go down a little bit more on the bottom, but all in all, they're not any bigger. I don't know why. In the videos, they just look like they were a lot bigger than they are. So, something everybody complained about was the super clickiness of the diopters. I don't think so. I think that's actually really good. Because on the Fat Sharks, their slides and even right there, it just doesn't always go where I want it to, or it slides super easy, and then you go, well, okay, I went way too far. So very cool looking. Oh, hold them right side up. And now I don't know, I've wondered this, I don't know if this is going to work for the TBS. I did find a place that 3D prints the cover to work for this, for the TBS Fusion. I don't know if I can make it work on here. Obviously I'm going to try, because I want to fly with them as soon as possible. I haven't gotten that print yet. So, and now one thing that was supposed to come with this in this bundle that we did not get, and this has been a question nobody knew, was the FPV Connect module, unless it's in here, but I doubt it. Nope. So yes, they're getting the FPV Ones, but they are not getting the FPV Connect yet, which, if you don't know about that, is a Wi-Fi module to help you do software updates, firmware updates, and so on. So that will go in the, if it's on your face, the right hand side, and then obviously this is for the your module. But my understanding is this is for the TBS Fusion, and so I'm pretty positive it's not going to work with, or it's for the shoot, I forgot the name of that one. I don't have it, never have. Immersion RC, I think it is, maybe not. I feel bad because I don't remember what the name of it was. Wow, that cover's in there really good. Well, instead of taking the chance of ruining this on camera, because then I might have to scream and yell, I'll worry about it later. But nonetheless, there's the unboxing. I will get to it. I don't know, we're supposed to have a lot of snow over the next couple of days, so I don't know if I'll be able to actually use them other than to just turn them on and check them and all that. So I promise I will get a video made as soon as possible on my thoughts and all that. So, alright guys, have a great one. Appreciate your time. Bye.